Katie Marie and welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to be back with a brand new video. I'll be using one new product in this video, and this is the Power Grip Primer e.l.f. I just started using it and I bought it a few weeks ago, so I decided that I'm going to do a video with it. I also use my e.l.f. eyeshadow palette. You girls have seen me use this before. But yeah, I just did like a glowy makeup look. Enough talking, and let's get right into this video. If you girls enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and comment down below what you want to see next for me on my channel. To see more makeup content, you can go follow me on there. I will have it on the screen. Let me know if you girls like the YouTube shorts that I do, or you like the long videos, because I can do either. But yeah, just let me know in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Bye girls.